All right, guys, we have a new video of WNBA Select 2024. We're looking for our girl Caitlin Clark, her rookie cards. I'd love to pull an auto. I know their odds are pretty rare. Also looking for Angel Reese, Cameron Brink, etc. Let's get to it. We have 4 boxes to open with 6 packs per box, and hopefully we pull some somewhat rare autos. We got a Cardosa rookie. She's a nice player in the post. Then we have a cracked prism of Brianna Jones. And I'm going to try to keep a decent pace, guys. Hopefully everybody's having a nice Saturday. And we have an insert card of Sabrina, who is one of the best players in the league. Just because I don't know what this insert is, I'm going to be careful. Leah Boston, Caitlin Clark's teammate. Cheryl Swoops, one of the OGs. Alicia Clark. And we have a snapshots of Sabrina Ionescu. So that's a cool card. I'm not sure if I remember really opening that insert in prior versions of Select, but so that's cool. I'm not familiar with that card. So we have Natasha Howard, Lauren Jackson, Zaya Cook, and a really cool Maya Moore card. Kind of love that. Is this numbered? It's not numbered, but that is a really cool Prism courtside card of one of the GOATs. Her eye, I'm a photographer, so I notice a little shit. Her right eye is like really jacked up in this photo. But cool card. I like that a lot. Probably end up top loading that card. So hopefully pull Caitlin Clark, who's one of my main PCs. Collect her, Michael Jordan, LeBron, Penny Hardaway. Those are kind of my main. In football, I collect Joe Burrow. All right. So far, no signs of CC. There's our Angel Reese. So cool. I'll put her on the side here. There's Sabrina. And we have Arike Agunbale. All right. So it's a really thick card. It kind of caught me off guard. All right. So far, nothing too crazy, guys. Hopefully we heat up a little bit. Another Zaya Cook. Another Angel Reese. So we have 2 Angel Reese base rookie cards. Got Lisa Leslie. Stephanie Soares. If there's any cards I'm passing up that you think are really, really cool, let me know. You know, I'm like, for example, I'm not that familiar with the snapshots insert. Julie Van Loo and Melissa Smith. All right. So what are we down? We're down 1 box at least at this point. So not a whole lot in that, whatever that first box was. Oh, we do have a numbered card coming. So that's cool. Grace Berger, Jenny Carter. It's a vet. And it's Dewana Bonner. Okay. Cool color scheme. I like the red blue. And this is numbered to 399. All right. So that's our hit so far, I would say. I do love the Prism. That's a nice look here. Put that on the side. Still looking for Caitlin, though. Another Sabrina. Diana Taurasi. I just want to pull a nice Caitlin Clark insert. I have pulled her base rookies in Select. I love an insert version of it, and I like my cards graded for the most part, the higher end stuff. So I want a good, there's a Kate Martin. I've actually pulled quite a bit of her out of Select too. Leah Edwards and a Jackie Young. Like a Caitlin Clark version of this card would be cool, for example. Or an Orange Flash, or there's just so many variations though in like Prism and Select. But I do like the shine and glitz and glamour of some of these cards. For example, like those are both really cool. I like those. Marina Mabry and a Carly Samuelson. That's like the shimmer version of this Concourse Prism. And I will go through all these cards again. All right, Collier, Sabali, Harrison, Alicia Clark. So nothing too crazy, really. We did pull the one numbered and the one Maya Moore. Oh, we got another numbered, so that's cool. Can you be of Caitlin Clark though? I don't think this one is. Dangerfield, Canada. So we have a Nelissa Smith. So I guess that would be her teammate, right? I'm not really familiar with her as much. So we pulled two numbered cards, almost, I think it's literally the same variation. All right. So far, the Caitlin Clark chase not going well, pulling her. We pulled a few cool cards, but no Caitlin. And my dog pulled an unstoppable insert. So Dangerfield, Judy Richards, J.C. Sheldon, and an unstoppable of Alexi Brown. All right. So maybe let's put that over here. Got our big thick stack going. We're getting down to the nitty gritty, guys. I believe this is close to the last box. So we need to make some progress here. Trending not in the right direction for Caitlin Clark. All right. Shakira Austin. Literally like almost the same pack. Erica Wheeler. So yeah, we're not even pulling any rookies, unfortunately, of some of the more rare variations. Really would like some rookies. That would be cool. I pulled a cool couple vets. Maya Moore again. Maya Moore is well represented. Got another unstoppable insert coming up. So our second one of those. Tamika Catchings actually photographed her at the WNBA All-Star Weekend? So she was very friendly. She's one of the greats of the women's game. All right, we're getting low on packs, guys. Hopefully we can make a strong push at the end here. So far, it's not been in our favor in terms of Caitlin Clark. Dawn Staley. Kelsey Plum. Natasha Howard. Lauren Jackson. And a nice red cracked ice of Crystal Dangerfield. I pulled a lot of Kate Martin. I think we have Jalen Brown, Shannon Parker, Dawn Staley again. And then Kate Martin, weirdly enough, I think I've pulled this card like once or two times before. So this is a really cool card, and Kate Martin should be a solid player overall. So this is a win. It's a good card here. Happy with this pull. That's nice. Just no CC though. What's going on here? I have heard she is kind of hard to pull. I've pulled a couple of her base out of opening this product. There's a Cameron Brink. That's not the base. I do like Cameron Brink a lot. Oh, well, we did pull a okay, I'll just wait. So that's the premiere version of Cameron Brink. Nice. It's cool. And then we pulled the Prism rookie card of Cardosa, who I watched in the NCAA tournament. She's definitely a baller. Good player. So nice. That's a win. So nice, strong push at the end here. Still no CC. And it's going to come down to last pack magic and see if it even happens. Last pack. Oh no, Caitlin Clark. Bummer. We pulled an Enfuego, Ryan Howard, So an insert to end it, but it is a fail on the Caitlin Clark front, unfortunately. We did pull some cool cards. We got, a nice insert here. This is a good rookie card of Cardosa. Nice Cameron Brink variation. This is a good card here of Kate Martin. Unstoppable, and then 2 Angel Reese rookie cards. And I don't know what the Snapchat card is very much. And then honestly, this one isn't numbered. I think it should just because it looks like a special card. Probably my favorite card of the pack. I think it's just an awesome looking card. Her holding the trophy there. So wow, she had 48 points and 10 boards. Wow, it's a great stat line. Good for her. And then we pulled the 2 numbered cards. So very nice. No Caitlin Clark though, so gonna have to keep trying, I suppose. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.